name is Musafir, and we're doing roll call. Where's kindergarten? Where's first grade? Where's second grade? Where's third grade? Where's fourth grade? Where's fifth grade? Where's sixth grade? Where's seventh grade? Where's eighth grade? Where's staff?
Tim has 10 flowers and he loses 3. How many does he have left? Correct. 3, 2, 1.
Zero has 6 flowers, Jason has 4 flowers, more flowers than Jane. How many flowers does Jason have?
There are 48 flowers in the table. Two-thirds of them are yellow. How many yellow flowers are there? There are 48 flowers in the field. Two-thirds of them are yellow flowers. How many yellow flowers are in the field? Correct. 3, 2, 1.
What's going on at PNG? Great Community Circle Rewards Thursday, May 23rd at 2:30. At 2:30. Gracious Life.
It's only for 6th grade and 7th graders. If you have any questions, you can ask them to Camille. And if you want to sign up, just give a slip to me. Now it's time to turn the time to Anthony.
Morning. Yeah, we went to Lagoon this year. This is the second time I've been to it. We did win first place this year. with our middle school kids, Raul, Felipe, and Tane. They won the first place prize out of maybe 14 schools there. We're happy to be best school in all of these are the winners.
Wow, last night was amazing. Yes. I bet you're all very tired. I will let you go home at 1:40. Yay! You know who worked the hardest? Not only you guys did, but I want you to give a big round of applause for all your crew. You crew have to every step of the way. And we don't thank them enough. We also want to thank our heritage teachers. Thank you. Our heritage teachers who taught you everything. But you know who else helped? And we didn't acknowledge, I'm going to do that right now. Come on, Chris. Let's give a big round of applause for all the people who made a salad, you made recordings. We just want to say thank you very much, Chris. We really appreciate everything that you've done. And our parents brought snacks. Some of them sewed for us. Some of them came and took your kids early before the really. But thank you, mums and dads, and we really appreciate everyone for supporting our May Day last night. So give your mums and dads, your family members, a big round of applause for the great. Okay, so we've got a few things happening. Thank you. We've got a few things happening not only tomorrow, today. We've got a whole bunch of those kids over there that are missing. They're gone to perform for Walmart. So they're going to Walmart, then Living Traditions. And Living Traditions happens every year. If you were talking, then you need to stop. Living Traditions is something where a whole bunch of cultures come together and they perform, so our kids are going to join them too. So that's exciting because it shows other people that we know different dances, but we respect other people's cultures, and that's really important. Then on Saturday, there's also a Rose Park. Who lives here in Rose Park area? Glendale. What's the one? West Point, Pleasant Grove. Isn't that by me? Well, anyway, anyone who lives around here, we're doing a festival down Rose Park Elementary side. And our school's going to perform at 2:30. So we're very busy sharing out what we do and what we do well. We not only do academics, and I want to congratulate our 3rd through 8th graders for completing their rise and doing the very best that they can. I think our K through 3, are you finished with your Acadians? You are? I'm going to check your scores to see how well you did too. Let's give you a big round of applause, K through 3. Don't be too happy, people. Yes, you guys have done well. So on Monday we're going to come back. Hopefully our school will be full. I think everyone's slept in. But thank you so much for everything. Teachers, thank you so much for all that you've done throughout the last couple of weeks, months, years, getting to us to our point that we're at now. Okay, so we're ready to go, but I think we're leaving the 7th. Who's Simi?
Yes, that's correct.
Who's Simi? Where are you? 7th and 8th or just 7th? Okay. Because we've got Auntie Joyce here with us, who came with us last year, Uncle Sluggy. Thank you so much for being here. They're going to talk to you about a few things and you're going to love it, I promise. So let's have our 2nd grade. You may leave. I'm not graduating. Oh, thank you, volunteers. Let's go 3rd grade. And volunteers, sorry, you have to go with your grade level. And let's have our 8th grade because you're so many of you